I'll just show you a few management things once you're in your video area and you've uploaded some videos. Right in this videos area, what you can do is you can fix the details on your video. So like on this one, if I click on it, you can see that I capitalize the H. I can fix that. I can go down here and choose a different thumbnail if I don't like the one that's automatically showing up. Then I can also adjust whether it's made for kids or not. Then I can hit save. It's going to sit right there until I go back to my channel videos. And then over here, I can check analytics, like how many times it's been watched. I can look at comments. I can view it. And then here are some options. I can just edit the title and description right here, get a shareable link. It's automatically just copied, and that'll be useful when you put it into your slideshow or into your document. You can download it, or you can actually delete it forever if you don't like it. So like this one here, I don't really want that one, so I'm going to delete that one forever. Check the box, delete forever. The other thing that's really nice and important is that you leave it as unlisted. So like this one is public. So just make sure that you don't have any private information on it at all. No matter what, student information or information that you don't want shared with the public. And then that's a good place to check to see if it's unlisted or public. If it's unlisted, people can still find it if they get the link to it. So once again, data privacy is super important. And then also copyright. Make sure that it's not any copyrighted material that you're using on your video. So hopefully this helps you navigate the videos portion of your YouTube channel.